seen the mud cabin he danced his wild jigs in, as neat a mud palace as ever was seen. And considering it served to keep poultry and pigs in, I'm sure it was always most elegant clean. But now all about it is lonely and weary, all sad and all silent, no piper, no reel, not even the sun through the casement is cheery, since I miss my darling boy Teddy O'Neill. I dreamt but last night, oh bad cess to my dreaming, I'd die if 'twould ever come surely to pass. But I dreamt why the tears down my pillow were streaming, that Teddy was courting another fair lass. Oh dear.